How to manage notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, this one, click on it, and now click settings and go down and you will find this one here, notifications. Click on it. And now if you want to turn off all notifications, all you need to do is just click here, this one, and as you see the notifications has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's how to manage notifications on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.